slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Guys, nung nakaraang video natin, naputol yung tarik. Ito, mas napagastos tuloy tayo. Ayun, pininturahan ko na ang mga tarik. Tapos, ito, mayroon naman tayong panibagong tabla. 5 tarik kasi dudublehin na natin, guys. Dudublehin na natin yung tarik dito, oh. Dito, kuya yung gagawin ng pangalay dito. Iwas pandayan. Yung panday. Sila rin yung may gawa ng ito, guys, yung naputol. Ayun, yung naputol, oh. Ito, oh. Ito yung kaputol. Yun, yung kadugtong ay. Kadugtong ito. Mabuti na lang, guys. Sabi nga ni kuya, mabuti na lang. Walang disgrasya nangyari, pero delikado yung aming paglawod na yun. Sabi ni kuya. Pero guys, ito. Napapagastos tayo. Dudublehin na natin to dito. Ito. Tingnan mo, guys, dalawa na siya kasi dudublehin na po natin yung pares ng tarik dito. Bali, ito solo lang to, solo. Bali, dalawa na siya magkatabi ng pares na tarik, kaya napagastos tayo. Kaya ito, doble na din, oh. Kung napapansin nyo, napalaki yung gastos natin. Doble na din to. At saka ito, guys, ito papalitan to. Yung gagamitin natin, yung naputol, ito papalitan to kasi lalampas na eh. Bali, nilipat dito lang yan eh. Ililipat dito, ililipat sa dito kasi maliit lang yung bangka natin. Ililipat sa dito, papalitan yan. Ayun, guys, malaki na rin ang paggastos, pero mas importante talaga yung safety natin kasi nakakatakot din. Kadalasan may mga aksidente mangyayari. Yung iba nalunod, yung iba hindi na nakauwi. Minsan, guys, dahil sa tarik, importante to. Ito yung buhay din to sa buhay din to sa dagat, guys, itong tarik. Napaka-importante nito. Hindi ito pwedeng baliwalain. Ito yung minsan buhay ng bangka. Kasi pag hindi na to balance, ito kasi lumalaro. Gumaganon ba? Para sa spring. Kaya importante to. Kaya ayun. Bastos tayo ng kahoy. Tapos 10 mil na naman yata yung nagastos ito. Malapit 10 mil.